In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import XML data Power BI. If you've got structured information coming from an app, a system export, or a legacy process, there's a good chance it's in XML format. Bringing that into Power BI lets you analyze it alongside your other data, build visuals, and share insights quickly. We'll keep this simple and clear, so you can follow along without any surprises. Start by opening your report in Power BI Desktop. On the Home tab at the top, look for the Get Data button. It's right on the main ribbon and opens the gallery of available connectors. Think of this as the starting point for any data source you want to bring into your model. If you're working in a fresh report, this is usually the first thing you'll do. Next, in the window that appears, use the search box to look for XML. You'll see the XML connector appear in the list. Click it to continue. This connector is designed specifically for reading the elements and attributes inside XML files, so Power BI can interpret the structure without you having to manually parse it. If you're not seeing it right away, make sure you're in the All or File category and that you're using a recent version of Power BI Desktop. Now, browse for your XML file and you're good to go. Use the file picker to navigate to where your XML lives, whether that's on your local drive or a secure network folder. Power BI reads the file and interprets its hierarchy. With XML, it's common to see nested nodes. Power BI will present that structure in a way that makes it easier to understand and work with. You'll typically get a quick preview to confirm you've got the right file and to see how the data will appear once it's in your report. Large files or deeply nested structures may take a moment, so let it finish processing. If your file contains sensitive information, make sure it's stored in a safe location and that you have the proper permissions to access it. That's all. You've successfully imported XML data into Power BI. From here, you can start exploring fields, building visuals, and shaping your story with the data. If the XML came from a recurring export, consider keeping the file in a consistent path so it's easier to keep your report up to date. And remember, XML often carries rich structure, so take advantage of that when organizing your fields and creating relationships in your model. Thanks for watching, and enjoy working with your XML data in Power BI. XML data.